Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss mock exam for grade 6 general math. So it is a model exam paper. Questions we will discuss. Okay. Let's start with the question number 1. Please read and understand the problem. Show your steps. This is not a multiple choice. It show your steps. How you are doing. You have to show how you are doing the problem. Okay. So this is our problem. A cycle to a student in a lane has 600 students. In Amna class, 3 out of 8 students walk to school. How many walk to school? 3 out of 8. How many students can be expected to walk? So there are total, this is our things. Total there are 600 students. 3 out of 8 walks to the school. How many are walking to the school? See here, walk, walk to school divided by total number of the students. Total students. Total student. So this is equal to 3 by 8 equal to how many by total. See here, this is the problem is part by whole. Part by whole. Here part, total 8 is there, 3 is going. Total 600 is there, how many are there? So here also part divided by whole, part divided by whole. Please go like this. Now cross multiplies 3 into 600 is equal to this. I am keeping it as it is equal to x. Now you have to go by this thing. 3 times 8 is 3 times 6 is 18. 1800 you are dividing by 8. 8 to the 16 minus 2 0. 8 to the 16 20. This is 4. This 0 if you write here, 8 5 is a 40. So that means we have 225 students walking to school. R. You see here, here I can go like this. 3 1 times 3 3 sevens are 3 sevens are 56. 4 is there. Sorry, 8 sevens are 56. 4 remaining. 8 5 are 40. 75 into 3. 75 into 3. If you multiply, 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. 3 sevens are 21. 221. X equal to 2. Directly if you see. Some student they are going by this way also. It is up to you. One more method. This is method number 1. Method 2. Method 2, they are going by the bar diagram method. Bar diagram method. How many students are there? This is 600 students. How many partition? 8 partition. 1. You see, if you divide the partition, 8. This is 75. This is 75, 75, 75, 75, 75, 75. How many total are there? Total 8. Please make a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But out of it, how much we want? We want 3. We want 3. So what is 375 plus 75 plus 7? 75 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. Carry 1, 7, 7, 14, 21, 22, 20. Any way you do, answer is this is the answer. Next problem. Question number 2. Let's go for question number 2. What it says, Hind is ordering a pizza from class pizza party. Pizza Hut has a special where she has to buy 3 large pizza for 18.75 AED. From Papa John's, if she is going, Pizza Hut, there are two companies, Pizza Hut and Papa John's. So Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut, how much he has to pay the money divided by pizza size. How many pizza? Money 1875. How many pizza? 3 pizza. So this one. And one more thing from Papa John's. Papa John's 85. How many pizzas? Money. Money is 22 dirhams and he is offering 4 pizzas. 4 pizzas. Okay, that is our problem is half. Next part. Next part. See here. If she want to buy 12 pizzas, how much money she can save? Money is numerator, so money is X. Pizza we know it is 12. Here also money we don't know. Pizza is 12. Now if you cross multiply 18.75 into 12 divided by 3 equal to X. 3 1 time 3 4 times is go. So 18.75 into 4. 18.75 into 4, which gives me 75. Okay, next. For this, cross multiply 22 into 12 divided by 4 equal to y. 4 1 time, 4 3 times 3 2 is 6. 66 equal to y. 66.80. For 12 pizza, Papa John's cost 60t. For Pizza Hut. So Pizza Hut minus Papa John's. Pizza Hut is 75 dirhams minus 66. 9. So how much Hind is saving? How much she is saving? 9 dirhams. 9 dirhams, 980. That's it. That is problem number 2. The problem number 3. The graph shows the career interest of the student at Mariam school. Suppose that there are 300 students at the school. How many want to be a teacher? How many want to be a teacher? Where is teacher? Teacher is here. Teacher is 23%. So here 23% of how many student total? Total in Mariam school is 300 students. Total is 300. You see 23% means 23 by 100. Half means multiplication 300. 300. See here 300 by 1. This is these 2 zeros in the denominator, 2 zeros in the numerator. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. So there are 69 students are there who want to become a teachers. Some teachers they do like this also. 23 by 100 part by whole. This is part how much? This way also you can do. So this way if you cross multiply 23 into 300 divided by 100 equal to x. You see these two zeros in the denominator getting 23 times 3 is 16. That is the answer. Very easy. Again, part B 15%. 15 by 100 part by whole equal to part by whole. Whole is 2. Cross multiply 15 into 240 divided by 100 equal to x. See here please. I want to go by this way. It is up to you whichever method you like to go. It's up to you. 15 times 24 divided by 100 you can do. But this 1 0 in the denominator 1 0. Now I am dividing by 5. Dividing by 5. 5 this it goes 3 times and it goes 2 times. Now this 2 I am dividing by 2. This I am dividing by 2. 2 1 times 2 12 times. So this implies x equal to 36. X equal to 36. If you don't like, you can go by this. If you don't like, you can go by 40 divided into 15, 0, 5 times 4 is 20, carry 2, 5 to the 10, 12, 0, 4, 0 to 4, 0, 0, 6, 6, 3, 6, 3. Now this is 3600 divided by 100. This can be written as 36 into 100 divided by 100 equal to x. So this 100 in the denominator, numerator getting cancelled, we are left with 60. Any method, any way you go, answer will be right. Remember that part by whole. Part by whole. This side also it should be part by whole. Numerator should be part, denominator. Here part is 15% of 100. So 240, how much? 240 is the whole. This is the whole 100. Please make a note. Now, here KFC rule. KFC rule, we are applying KFC rule. Kentucky Fried Chicken. No, no, no. Here K means keep as it is. F means flip. C means change. How? First keep as it is. This is keep as it is. This is flip. And this is change. Because we remember KFC. This is KCF basically, but we are saying that way. So, okay. Now, but what we have to do mixed fraction. Here we have to multiply. Here we have to add. 3 fours are 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 by 4 divided by 3 was a 3, 4, 5. 5 by 3. I am not doing anything. I did not do anything. Now, what is the rule? Keep the first letter as it is. So, 15 by 4 as it is. Second, change the sign. Division become multiplication. And flip. 5 by 3 become 3 by 5. 5 by 3 become 3 by 5. Okay, that's it. Now simplify. Now simplify. Now simplify. 5 one time, 5 three times. Can they simplify? No. 3 3s are 9. 9 by 4. Is our answer? No, it is not our answer. So what you have to do? You have to divide. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract 1. So we have to write 9 quotient remainder by division. 2 integer 1 by 4 is the answer. Please, this is not the answer. You have to write this. If the numerator is greater than denominator, we have to divide directly or write in a mixed number form. If denominator is more, suppose this is 9 by 4 is there. 9 by 4 is there. If it is 4 by 9, no problem. Keep as it is. Okay. That's it. Now this one. For this type of the problem, please don't see the decimals. Please don't see the decimal. Please don't see the decimal. Just multiply. 23 into 15. Just multiply. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry 1. 5 to the 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. Now 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 5, 4, 3. 345. 345. Now, how many decimal? 1, 2, 3 places. Here, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3 plus 5 places are the decimal. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's nothing is there. So I have to write 0, 0, dot 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. Our answer is 0.00345. Okay, first multiply, then see the position. How many places? Here 3 places, here 2 places. 3 plus 2, 5. So here 5 places you have to write. Very simple. Now here is a quadrant. Before doing the quadrant, let me write down. This is the first quadrant. This is the second quadrant. This is the third quadrant. This is the fourth quadrant. This is horizontal line is known as x-axis. Vertical line is known as y-axis. And in first quadrant, all are positive. In the third quadrant, x coordinate and y coordinate are positive, negative. This is negative and positive. This is positive and negative. Both x and y are positive. Here x is negative, y is positive. You see the 1, 2, 3. This is minus 1, minus 2. Here plus 1, plus 2. Here minus 1, minus 2. Okay, like this. Now let's go. Identify the point at minus 1, minus 1 by 2. Both are minus. Both are minus means which place? Third quadrant. Third quadrant means C. C is the point. What are the coordinates of C? X first. So minus 1, minus 1 and. So what is that? What will be the answer? Point C. Answer is point C. Identify the ordered pair that names D. What are the coordinates of this? So first you have to see the X. You see X is 1. What is Y? 1. You see 2. This is 1.5 or 1.5. And they are in the first quadrant. So both are positive. So 1, 1.5. S equal to, the third is S equal to 1.5 and minus 1. 1.5 graph. Graph means we have to write. S is 1.5. That means X is positive, Y is negative. Where is X is positive, Y is negative. Fourth quadrant. It goes, no. X is positive, Y is negative. X is positive, Y is negative. So X is positive, yes. So 1.5 and Y is minus here, somewhere here. Here, yes, here. This is our yes. Yes has the coordinate. What is 1.5? X is 1.5. What is y? Minus 1. X is positive, Y is negative. Now, the problem is graph the reflection of the point A along y-axis. Along y-axis. See here, this is the thing we have to do. A is there along y-axis. So from here, our point is going from here. So what are the coordinates of this point? X is minus 1.5 and Y is 1. Along this, the point will be 1.5 here. It will be here 1.5 plus it will become X will become plus Y will be the same. Y will be the same. X will become plus and Y will be the same. So 1.5 minus will become plus, Y will be the same. So what is the point? This will be 1.5 or 1.5, whatever you want to write. Minus will become plus X along X. Along y-axis. X changes, Y is same. Now the reflection of the point along x-axis. Reflection of the point along x-axis. You see this is the point is there along x-axis here. So what is the point? X is half and Y is minus 2. So X is half. So X is half, Y is plus 2. X is half, Y is plus 2. So what will be the point? B dash along x-axis. X is half, Y will change. You see along x-axis, X remains same, Y changes. Along y-axis, X changes, Y remains same. Okay. Let me write down to stop the confusion. Any point is there, A dash along x-axis. Along x-axis here, X is plus. Suppose whatever the Y is there, we are not talking about the Y word. So this will be changing. X become minus. Y it is the same. Whatever the same is the same. So plus become minus. So suppose any point B is there along Y axis. Along Y axis, X remain the same. You see, eh, same, y is plus. So now x remains the same, y changes the sign. Okay, am I right? No confusion now? You see here to here, x has changed along y-axis, x has changed, y is same. Along y-axis, x is same, y has changed. Now this problem number 6. See here, first there are two types of the 2.12 and one more is there 2 1 by 10. 2 1 by 10. 1 by 10 can be written as 1 by 10 is can be written as 0.1. 0, this is 1, 0. 0, 2.1. 2.1. 1 means 2.10 you can keep. Okay. And another point is minus 2.10 and 2.1 by 5. 1 by 5 is zero point 0.2. So minus 2 integer 1 by 5. This is minus 2.2. 2.20. 2.10, 2.0. Now least, small number. Small number means it starts with the negative. Negative is minus 2, 1 by 5. Next, minus 2.1. Then positive 1. To positive 1 will be 2 integer 1 by 10. 2 integer 1 by 5. To avoid this confusion, please draw the line and you can go with this. If you draw the line 0, 1, 2, suppose this is 2.1, 2.10, 2.20, it is like this. Suppose it is 1, 2.10, 2.20, like this, it is going on. So now you have to take the numbers. So what is that? 2.10. 2.10 is here. This is 2 integer 1 by 10. This is 2.10. 12 it is here. 2.1. Here 2 point minus 10. It is here. What about this is? This is somewhere here. So this is small, bigger, bigger, biggest. That's where you can go. Now part 2. Part 2 you have to write the answers only. You don't have to worry about the steps. Whatever the logic you are doing, I am showing the sample logic. So what is our problem? Our problem is serving a fruit smoothie is shown in the table. Suppose you have 12 cups of frozen strawberries. If you use the entire amount, how many cups of plain yogurt is needed? Now you have to see the yogurt. Yogurt is 2 strawberries. How many plain of cup of yogurt? 2 yogurt if you are taking 3 strawberries. Now you are interested in 12. Now you are interested in 12. 12 strawberries. So how many? That means what number you are multiplying? 3 times 4 is 12. So 2 times 4 is 8. So answer is 8. You see, not necessary. You can go like this also. 3 by 12, 3 by small, by whole, part by whole, part by whole. So this is, if you cross multiply, 3x equal to 2 into 12, dividing by 3 both the sides. 3 was a 3 for the 4 times 2 is 8, x equal to 8. You can go this way also. It is up to you. Any way you can go. I am just showing the model. Whichever you like, you can go. This is multiple choice question. Here also, 3 is becoming 60. What number? If you multiply by 20, 3 times 20 is 60. The same thing, whatever the you have to use. 2 times 20 is 40. So answer is 60. Now, if you don't want to go, again the same way, 3 by 60 part by whole equal to part by whole. Cross multiply, 3x equal to 2. So, 3x equal to 2 into 60, dividing by 3 both the sides. 3 1 times 3 2 times 20. So, x equal to 20 times 2 is 40. Same. See here. Laila is running laps or on the track. The time in minutes and the number of laps ran are shown in the graph. Which following is true about the ratio relationship shown in the graphs? You see, 4 minutes equal to 1 lap. Every 4 minutes Laila is running. You are not happy with that. Go for this. 4 by 1, 8 by 2, 8 by 2, 12 by 3, 16 by 4. This is 4 by 1. 4 ones are 4, 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 by 1. 3 ones are 3 fours are 4 by 1. 4 ones are 4 fours. Same. Every 4 minutes, Laila. It is a proportional. Next. You see, the question is very big. The Mariam is comparing calories in different types of the bread. The wheat bread, 150 calories for interested in this one. 2 slices. Here, 2 slices, how much? Less than 150. Suppose it is 145. So for 2, so 2 is same. This is 70 calories. So 2 slices. How much? It is 60. It is 145. White bread has more. So, excuse me. White bread has more calories. That's it. Question is too big. Math is very simple. See here. Just compare. Next. A student in a class walked 1 mile for walked 1 mile for a walk. How many yards did the student walk? This is the length. 1 yard equal to 3 feet, 1 mile equal to 500. So that means how many feet? If you divided by this, if you divided by 3, it will become yards. That's it. 5280, 3 into by 3. 3, 1, 3 minus 2. This 2 if you take 3 sevens are 21 minus 1, 8. 3 6 are 18 minus 0. What about this 0? This 0 you have to write here. So that's it. How many yards? In a mile. In a mile, there are 760 yards. That's it. What represent? You see how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20. 20, 20, 20, 20. 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 20, 60, 80, 100. Where you are interested? You are interested in this 20 plus 20. Shaded one. What percentage is represented? 20 by 20. 20 plus 20 is 40%. That's it. See here. Complete one 10 by 10 means 100. Here 3 means 30. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 136. CC percentage. How to change into percentage? To change into percentage, always denominator should be 100. That is the rule. To make it 100, you have to divide and multiply by 5. 20 times 5 is 100. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 by 100 is, for 100 we write the percentage symbol. So 15%. Okay. That's it. Next. What is next? Next verse is 9 by 12 as decimal. 9 by 12. You see, 9 by 12, can it be simplified? Yes, it can be simplified. You say divide by 3, divide by 3. This is 3, this is 4. 3 by 4. We don't have any 3 by 4 here in decimal form. So you have to divide 4, 3. That. You have to divide 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So less that. So I have put dot here. Now I'll put 0 here. 4 7s are 4 times 7 is 28 minus 2 0. 4 times 5 is 20. 0.7. That is enough. You see, you say, no, I don't want to go. No, no problem. You don't want to go by this. Okay. We have another method also. What is that method? I want to make it 100. Multiply and divide by 25. 25 3 is 75. 25 4 is 100. That is 100 means we have to write the decimal form 0.7. You can go this way also. It is up to you. Now next. 85%. 85% means 85 by 100. Now what I am doing, can it is divisible? Yes, it is divisible. Divisible by 5. So here 100 divided by 5 is 20. 5 1 time, 5 7 times. 17 by 20. You see, this is how much? This is 25%. One part divided by 100 is 0.5%. This one part is asking one part. This again it is divided into 100 parts. So what is this part? 25, 0.25. That's it. You see, Hassan spent 15% of his school work in 15% is 15 by 100. That means part by whole. If he spent 75 minutes, if he spent 75 minutes in the science means science. Whole means total time in the school. This is the formula. Now cross multiply. Cross multiply. 15x equal to 75 into 100 dividing by 15. X equal to, you see, 15 ones are 15, 15 5s are 75. 5 into 100 is 500. Excuse me. I am going directly. If you don't like, no problem. 75 into 100. You write it down. 7500 divided by 50. You can go this way. 15 is there. You go. Or if you, yes, 15 5 are 75 minus 2 zeros are there. Write it down. Anyway, you can go. Divide 6 by in the simplest form. Simplest form is k of 0. Keep the first letter as it is, as it is. Then flip the number 2 by 3 become 3 by 2. This is 1, 3, 2. Keep the first letter as it is. Flip the number 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 by 2, flip. Then change the sign. So this is our answer. Here, see here. A cat's heart beat 15 times in 15 seconds. How much? 45 times in 15 seconds. In 1 second, how much? 1 second, how much? You see what number you are dividing? 15 is becoming 1. 15 is becoming 1. I am dividing by 15. 15 by 15 is 1. 15 one time, 15 3 times. So it is in 1 second 3 times. No, you say, no, I don't want to. No problem. 45 times in 15 seconds. How many times in 1 second? Cross multiply. 45 equal to 15x. Divide by 15. X equal to 3. Anyway, it's up to you. Next. A teacher is making a bag of different colors of modeling clay. The table shows the amount of each color she has available. Each color will be divided into 3 by 16 pounds bag. How many more bags of purple can she make more than the yellow? Yes, that's it. So what he has? Purple. We have purple. We have yellow. How many purple are there? 15 by 16. How many yellow weight is there? 3 by 4. Now she want to make the bag of the weight 3 by 16. 3. This is by 3 by 16. So what? How many more bags of purple she can make? That's it. You see, this is based on this property A divided by B divided by C by D. This can be written as this can be written as A by B into D by C. Please make a note. So this is 15 by 16 into 16 by 3. So this 16, 16 getting cancelled. 3 one time, 3 5 time. So purple is 5. Now 3 by 4, flip 16 by 3. 3 3 getting cancelled. 4 ones are 4 4 are 16. So yellow is 4. So purple is 5, yellow is 4. Purple is 5, yellow is 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So one more bag she can make. Purple will be 5. With this method, with this leather she has, weight, with the weight she want to make, and 3 by 16 is the same size of, then that will be the same weight, not size, I'm sorry, pound means weight, same weight. So purple she can make 5, yellow she can make 4, 1 extra. You see, this problem is nothing, just you have to fix it. This 3 point minus 3f. You see, minus 3f. How you will go? Minus 3. Here also minus 3. Here also. Here is there is no minus. This is wrong. This is wrong. Let me change the color to dark one. Okay. Next 0f. This is wrong, so we don't see. 0 is here. 0 is here. This is wrong, we don't see. So 2 are right answer. 2 cannot be right. Where is 1? 0 and 1. 0 and 1 is here. 0 and minus 1 is. So it is wrong. It is 3 times right. Right. So this is our right answer. So C is our answer. Please see, minus 3, look at it. In one time, one wrong answer will be eliminated. Then second time, 2 wrong. Third time, both the answers are close. You see, both the answer is close. This is third time wrong. 2 time right it is. This is 3 time right. It is first time wrong. Like that. So C is the right answer. Next. See here. What is our problem? Salma is performing a science experiment. The table shows the temperature of 4 liquids she is using. Which beaker liquid is closer to 0? You see, 0, 1, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. No, what I want, uh, 1 degree. 1 degree is C. No, let me change the color. 1 degree is C. Minus 2 degrees is D. Minus 2C is B. Minus 2. This is B. Minus 4 degrees is A. Close to 0. Distance is 1. Here it is. Distance is 2. Close to 0 is C. So answer is C. B equals C. Now, before going to this problem, you see minus time minus is plus. Please make a note. Plus time plus is plus. Minus time plus is minus. Plus time minus is minus. Please make a note. This is very important. Both are minus, answer will be plus. Both the numbers are plus, answer will be. Any one is minus, answer is minus. So now 3 minus are there. Minus time minus is plus. Minus time minus is plus. We are here. Now it is become plus time minus. Plus time minus is minus. So it is minus 7. Plus time minus is, result is minus 7. You see which of the following statement is true. See here, this is the problem. Minus 70 minus mod 5 is plus 5. 5 is great. You see here, 5 is greater than 15. It's wrong. This is mod 2 is 2. Mod 2 is 2. 2 is less than, this is wrong. Minus 1, this is wrong. So this has to be right. And one more thing, as the number increases, the number becomes small if the sign is negative. Please listen one more time. If the number becoming big, it will become small if the sign is minus. If you don't agree, no problem. You see here this is minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, minus 60, minus 70. So what is our problem? Our numbers are minus 17. Minus 17 is somewhere here. And this is minus 70. See here. You see the rule says if a number on the left hand side, if you go this side, if the number is as far away from the zero is small. So that with this technique also you can see that. Next, identify the ordered pair. You see this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. First quadrant, all are positive. Second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. We are interested in second quadrant. So second quadrant, what is the number? R. There is no R is there. So we have to find that. So for here, first x, you have to see the x. Minus 2. X is minus 2. So this is right answer. This is right answer. This is wrong. This is next. Then you have to draw the line. This is 0.5 or half. 0.5 or half. So this is also right. This is also right. Now, both are right. Let me change the color. You see, this is also minus 2. This is also right. This is also minus 2 is right. Now you have to see the half. What is half? X is negative. No problem. X is negative. Y should be positive. Where Y should be positive? Y should positive. Here Y should be negative. 2 times is, that is right. That's it. Okay. You see, I solve this model mock exam. These are the types of the exams may come. And please practice some more this type of the questions. Please be cool when we are solving math problem. You have to be very cool. Don't rush. You have lot of time in the exam. Go slowly. Read properly. Read the question. Read the question properly. If you understand the question, half of the problem is solved. You should know. You will be knowing what to do, what not to do. If you read the problem carefully. Please, in the math, you have to read the problem carefully. When you read the problem carefully, then we have two things. What is given, what is required. You see, when you read the problem fully, you will come to know what is given, what is required. So given, you have to write what is required. Apply the formula, whatever is there. You know what to do. When you know what is given, what is required, you understand the problem. If you understand the problem, you can solve the problem. Simple logic, simple techniques I have used to make the paper easy, the mock exam for our students. Please do it 1 or 2 times. See all the types. Any type is there. For example, write 3 by 20 as a person. One problem we have done. Do this type of the problem 3-4 times. Convert percentage into decimal, decimal into percentage, percentage into decimal, like that 3-4 types. If you do, one question will come. Like that, please practice and you will be successful. You will get Mia Mia. Thanks for watching.